down. This posture is down already. So snap down. Snap to the legs. Right, posture up. Snap. Snap level to the legs. Good. Up. Recover. Good. Cut. Keep cutting. Okay, good. Stay on top. Okay. Good. Okay. Just got 2 points to the take out. Okay, good. Don't cut the wrist. You have the gi. You don't take gi. Yes, the pants there, the belt is there. Move backwards. Go. That's good. You want to make posture straight for you there. Come on, there. Sweep. There's no choke, fight the arm backwards, not forward. If there's no choke, fight the arm backwards. Yes, good. Step on in. Let's go triangle already. Let's go. Push the knee down. Good. Hey, let's go. Capitalize from there. Don't move slow. Turn. Get off your knees. Good. Smash down. Very good. Beautiful. Stabilizing first. Relax. Put all your pressure down. Good. Watch it. She's gonna roll you over. Don't compensate. Very good. Knees and toes. Engage. Hey. Don't let them catch you. Switch over to the other side. You're gonna catch the leg. Other side control. You. Keep circling. Good. Beautiful. Stay control. Knees and toes engage. Good, beautiful. Yeah, 4 points. Good. Posture down. Good. Get the gift wrap. It's already there already. Get the gift wrap. Good. Instead of take it back, what are you waiting for? Get the gift wrap first. Underhook the head. Good. There you go. Sit him up and take it back. You sit your butt down. Yeah, you take it back. Go. He doesn't want you, then you stay up. Good. Keep your pressure down. Attack. Don't just sit down there. He needs to feel the threat. Good. Get the arm is already there. Underhook, overhook, let's go. Yes, sir. Good. Watch it. You check your arm there. Let's go. Armbar is there. Let's go. Throw your leg over. Watch it. Relax. You got the collar. What's next? Get the collar is in a different position now. It's supposed to be over the hand on. You control. Good. Keep fighting. Stretch it out. Stretch your legs. Stretch it out. Good. Flatten it down. Good. Use your hips go down. Good. You gotta stay on top of him. Flatten him down first. Good. Time. Beautiful control. There you go. Good. Let's go. Last switch.